What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Hey, y'all. It is Damon here from Deco Exchange. Y'all, and we're going to make a quick dog wreath. We're going to get this sign prepped and ready to go. So just a little dab of glue. Y'all remember, you don't need a ton of the super glue or it's going to take forever to dry. So we're going to let that dry while we do the other parts. So we're going to add our pipe cleaners in here. So I'm going to try to just get my pipe cleaner to go through the foam. It's definitely thick. So y'all, I went between the layer of the front felt and the back foam. You could probably use like a toothpick or a shish kebab stick if you have one at home to pre-make the hole, right? That would make it a lot easier. Yeah, that was a lot easier. Y'all, but I want to make sure that the pipe cleaner doesn't pull out of that foam. So I'm going to shoot just a little bit of hot glue over that piece to make sure it stays. While the hot glue gun is on, let's go ahead and add a little bit of hot glue for our mounting squares, right? So I just like to caulk the edges a little bit. Y'all, while that's drying, we can make our bows. So y'all, I pulled out the color of the dog, the beige, the red and black in the sun, and the white and black in the sun. All right, so let's start with an 8-inch tail. Let's give it a twist. Pull over about 6 inches. On both sides. Pull out this way. Give yourself a little bit of room. All right, let's choose our next color. I'm going to go with this beige one. Same thing, except opposite direction. So tail to the top, about 5.5-inch loop. And trim this off. The kit is available in our Etsy store at decoexchange.etsy.com. We're going to add our black and white. Y'all, these loops are about 5 inches. Now, I've got enough of this left to go in with a single strip. Let's do it this side. All right, same thing with the beige one. And with this one, we're going to make our center loop. So measure out your tail and just do one loop in the center. Use our pipe cleaner and we'll tie it off. What's the difference in the two choices in the kit? One comes with a bow maker, one does not. All right, now this grapevine does have some sticks that are sticking way out. So we are going to cut that off. Let's get our sign attached up here. Y'all, on this one, I'm going to put this sign pretty far off to this side. Just run our pipe cleaners right through the grapevine and twist that off. Same thing on the other side. All right, you can see from the back, all we did was wrap those pipe cleaners right around the grapevine. Cut off our excess pipe cleaner. So let's get our bow on first. Y'all, everything that I'm using can always be found at decoexchange.com. Same thing with our dog. So I'm going to build it out just like this. So we'll build out this way, and down. First thing that we're going to do is add our greens. So I'm just going to pull these apart. And then this one we got to trim down. Add a lot of glue. All right, let's build out under our bow. Y'all, this one, I'm going to come out right here. So that I've got some greens coming up towards the dog. And then we're going to do the same thing out on this side. All right, so y'all, there's all of our greens. And you could absolutely stop there if you wanted to. I personally want to get a little bit more red and color in there. So I'm going to use this one. Same thing, we're just going to pull it apart. Trim off the long one. All right, y'all, let's start opening these up and spread them out a little bit. All right. Now, y'all, look. We have one here, and one here. We're going to put these in between. Let's trim our ribbon tails. All right, y'all. How cute is that?